Now that the plumbing is in this cabinet, I will be able to fit in a modified drawer. So luckily I'm able to put the railing back the way it was, because it will clear all the pipes. So now what I have to do is take measurements. So I have to find out what is the farthest point it can go. And I'm not even worried about this guy. This is closer to me, so I'm gonna measure up to this point here from the face frame, and that's gonna be where I need to be with my drawer length. So what I'm doing is just measuring to that point and to the outside of the frame, which appears to be about 10.5. So I think if I make it 10, that's gonna be okay. Just about. Maybe to be on the safer side, I'm just gonna make it 9.5. I think that's gonna be plenty enough. I only want to do this one time, so 9.5 it is. So now what I need to do is take the drawer and I have no idea how these are put on. That's gonna be fun to take off. So this thing doesn't go through. How does this come off? Does anybody know? Once I cut the back, I will be able to take this piece off and then position it. Of course I have to cut the bottom too. So I ended up just prying this up. This is what this looks like. This little thing in a hole right here, like that. So what I'm gonna do is just cut this out, and then I'm gonna screw it in here. So that's how it's gonna look like at the end. Okay, so I cut the drawer, and this is the back. I took up the sides. Looks like there are 2 dowels that I want to repurpose. So in order for me to repurpose that, I just need to drill some holes appropriately. So I'm gonna figure out where I need the holes. Right there. And about an 8-inch deep, right? Based on that, I'm gonna drill holes here and here, and the other side here and here. Put some glue on, and then nail them in. The other thing I have to do is I'm gonna have to cut the back bottom a little shorter than the side, because the way this used to be is shorter, so I gotta cut that much, which is about 1/4 inch. I'm shortening the drawers. Looks pretty good. Now what I need to figure out is how to attach this metal into the wood, because obviously they use some kind of special equipment to shoot through this. So I'm gonna research it tonight and come back tomorrow and attach it. finished modifying the drawer. So now it fits right in without hitting any of the pipes. So it's just a smaller drawer. And that's what it looks like. See you next time.